Old Celtic Farmer here. You're looking at the hawthorn. This is March 2020. Gear up for spring. It's coming back real good. I had to clean some of the vines away from it. Doing some work back here in the back. Planted a couple of mulberries right there. Did some harvesting here on the chickweed, the spiderwort, henbit. Made some good salads. And now I'm going to have to clean all this out because if you look carefully in here, we have our goji berries. So I'm going to have to dig them out, get them ready for spring. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, it's been a few days. This little goji berry is really starting to bush out. Got another one over there. Got them all nice and cleaned up and getting them ready here for summer. Get a lot of berries off of this. I call this little path right through here Logan Berry Lane. You can see my other blueberries are really blooming out. I got one variety there, another one there, another one back there, and then I got some mulberries back in there. I got some blackberries back in there. Got some strawberries up front here. I'll be planting here pretty soon. That's one of the things why it's nice having a backyard farm, is because you can always go out in your backyard and you can supplement yourself, or you can feed your family, or you can just basically have an edible food forest in your backyard. Doesn't matter whether you're in an HOA or living in a patio apartment or whatever, you can always get around all this stuff. I had a friend of mine, he had elephant ears that he liked, and I said, hey, why don't you pull out those elephant ears and get yourself some taro? They're the same thing. I said, but taro, you just harvest it, harvest what you need, let the rest of it grow back, and it tastes like potatoes, fries like potatoes, it eats like potatoes, but it's better for you. And I said, you know, then he had some bamboo, and I told him, you don't need bamboo, but he liked the look of it. And I said, well, if you like the look of it, go ahead and get yourself some sugar cane. That way you can go ahead and make your own sugar. Everything out there has a pair that, you know, one's edible and one's basically for looks. You know, my friends out there in Arizona, you know, they know exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to the ornamental oranges. You know, a lot of people come out there and they see oranges everywhere, and they don't realize that these ornamental oranges are strictly for looks, and they don't really taste that good. And if you want to get adventurous, well, you can always go ahead and go on into the foraging, which I got some little spiderwort right there, and got some more spiderwort right there. Leaves, flowers, all that's edible. And then you got some dollarweed down in there. That's all edible, along with some dandelions, chickweed over there. I got some chickweed over there. Got some henbit. And you know, you can, these weeds, I mean, they're a whole lot better for you. I mean, if you ever actually stop to start looking up these things on the internet, you know, that's pretty much what we try to teach here, is they're a whole lot better for you because of, you know, they grow naturally. But people, they spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to kill it, and yet it's better for you than what you can get at the store. So that's what we do here at Cheris and Old Celtic Farmer and Lady Kinwich, is we teach you what to forage, we teach you what to eat, we teach you how to can, we teach you how to vacuum pack, we teach you how to dehydrate, ferment. You know, we teach you all of these types of things here, and we try to share what we know, and we all benefit. I hope you all are staying safe. I hope you all have a very blessed day. And we'll catch you here in the next video.